Hey everyone, Ruth Ellen here with Pin Drop Travel Trailers. Just wanted to go over how to secure your awning. So once you have the awning up, which we just demonstrated that you can do with just one person, we want to make sure that we secure the awning so that if a big gust of wind comes, the awning doesn't fly up and over the top of the trailer, damaging your awning and possibly the trailer too. So what we have here is a guy rope. You have these located in the tongue box for your use when you have a trailer out. So I'm going to just demonstrate how you put it on and connect it and secure it to the ground. So one end has this little piece of metal that's for down in the stake area. This end is what's going to be attached to the awning. So I'm going to circle around here. And as you can see on the top of the trailer there's a little hole. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this through the hole. Okay, anybody can do this. Stick it through. And what I'm going to do here is what's called a trucker's knot. Okay, very simple. As Tim says, it's the only knot we know. You make a little loop with the end and you just tuck it under just like you're tying a shoe. And you pull it taut. Okay. Now what's great about this is when you pull down on the end that might be securing your awning, it's just not going to go anywhere. But when you're ready to leave and you're taking your awning down, it's just a simple pull here of the loop. Okay? Very easy to unfurl. So I'm just going to show it one more time. Little loop. You tuck it under like you're tying a shoe. Pull it taut. Make sure it's got a little bit of a end there and you're ready to go. Okay, great feature about this rope is there is actually a reflective strand that is woven into the rope. So that's really great at night too, so that you can see these ropes and don't trip over them at night. You always want to be careful, you know where your ropes are. Okay, so I'm going to come down here to the corner. I've got my sledge and one of the stakes that also is going to be in your tongue box. You will either need to bring your own sledge or find a handy rock to do this part of the securing the awning. So I'm going to put my stake in about yay far away, maybe 6 or 8 feet away, and I'm going to put it in at an angle. So you're going to want to tilt the stake a bit. Try to keep the hook down towards the ground. I'm going to get it in pretty far. I'm going to take my end and loop it around just like that. Now these are pretty handy because you can just adjust as needed, and then when you kind of release it, it just secures that string. And then I'm going to take the sledge, just drive it in a little bit farther so you're good. And there it is, it's secure. And double check, got a nice tight trucker's knot at the top, and your awning is secure. You're going to want to do this on both sides. Okay, that's it.